Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Today I'm getting together with some of my friends to do Blast from the Past. We planned on doing this in June, but because of so many things came up, we put it off. So now here we're bringing it. I am doing a tribute to all the island TV shows. Gilligans Island, Magnum PI, Hawaii 5-0. We all just like to dream about the tropics. So here's project number 1. I will mostly not talk and let you enjoy watching me paint, but I'll tell you a little bit about the background. I gessoed this and then I painted it with a white acrylic, and now I'm using other acrylics, terracotta and a turquoise mostly, and black and white. But I sketched on with a pencil my design of what I wanted to do, and now I'm starting my painting. And the reason I'm doing this is because love Hawaii, love the tropics, love the islands, and my daughter is an ocean lover and tiki lover, so this will be going to my daughter. So enjoy while I'm painting. Maybe every once in a while I'll throw in a little comment here and there, but you can basically see what I'm doing. Now, once in a while something looks off or I've made a mistake, but in the long run I end up going back and correcting it. So enjoy. And if you can't tell, I've done this in a mid-century modern type of style because I'm mid-century modern. I'm making measurements so I know where to draw my lines on my eyes, nose, and mouth. And the pencil marks can always be erased later on. I didn't like how the nostril looked on the other side, so I painted over it, and I'll redo it when I get back with the terracotta paint. Just put in a little bit of that mid-century modern twist in there. Using my Sharpie paint pens. Now for the signing. Project number 2. I got these at Dollar Tree and I painted them black, actually quite a while ago, and I guess I erased the footage of it. But I'm using the same colors on it, except for the blue. A black base is always good for anything. Now I'm just doing some dry brushing over the whole cup. If I had more time, I'd go into explanation about what tikis are, but they were the gods, and the gods would bring them good rains, good farming, scare their enemies away. I'm using the Fix-All glue to glue them together so they stay permanent. And I didn't show it in the video, but you'll see at the end I did wrap some nautical rope around. It was a pretty tight fit with the taller cup.
Well, today I'm doing a collab with some great ladies, and I love each and every one of them. We've been friends for about a year, so please stop over and take a look at their channel. And what I did today was I let you watch me, and I did tikis because my daughter loves tikis, so she's gonna get these as a present. And it's an homage or a salute to the islands and to some of the old TV shows we used to watch, like Gilligans Island, Magnum PI, Hawaii 5-0, and there's still a lot of shows shot in Hawaii and movies. So this is my dedication to them, and I just wanted to show you my finished products. Okay, I used the tiki glasses from Dollar Tree on these. And here's the painting. I hope you enjoyed watching me paint. I haven't painted a picture in a long time. I paint all the time, but not pictures. And so it was kind of fun. And I hope my daughter will like it too. Well, thanks for watching and coming along, and I will see you again really soon. Bye.